Hi guys, if you remember what the Sontrol panel looked like on Windows 7, then you know that it was a very handy tool for all kinds of operating system tweaks. In the latest versions of Windows 10, Microsoft has removed this tool from the Start menu, but we can find the old control panel and continue using it as before. To do this, to the right of the Start menu button, you need to click on the magnifying glass image, write the word below, Control, and the application icon, Control Panel, will immediately appear at the top. Click once on the icon, and now we see the control panel. This application is exactly the same as we saw it in Windows 7. For ease of use, let's fix the application icon to the taskbar. You need to right-click on the icon and select Pin to Taskbar. I close the application window and try to launch it from the taskbar. Yes, everything is working correctly. Now I'll see if there are any changes in this version and uninstall a program. Everything is the same here. I wonder if the user account control section works here or not. Yes, this function also remains the same. Also, the control panel can be pinned to the Start menu. For this you need to return to Search, right-click on the application icon, and select Pin to Start. Let's see what I got. Yes, the application icon is already in the Start menu. I click on it, and we see that from the Start menu you can also quickly launch the control panel. I hope that what I have told you will be interesting for you and can help you. If you find it helpful, please share my video with anyone. Good luck!